sitting in Facebook company. Twitter is in Twitter company that is really getting the data over and render it in the way you want, right? So you say you develop the native application, actually native application sitting in a device, but the data can be from outside, can be inside. For example, I create a notebook, the notepad application. The data can be saved locally in your hard drive. Not a hard drive, it's a storage, your local storage. Or I can save it to, like, the Apple, they have iCloud. Probably you know heard of this. iCloud. I can save the data in iCloud. And whenever I want to read it, I read it. So there are different ways. Your server is, of course, a very important part in those small devices.
Here among the testing, STE 16 test engineer track. So I just want to know how much I should know about Android to broaden my opportunities for testing jobs. If I know Android, does it help me to find a testing job?
If your testing is tied to the projects in the companies, right? If the company has such kind of project, it's good you know. At least for as a tester, you know what's going on with those software systems, client systems. Otherwise, how can you create a test case, right? For the, I think it should be good for you if you're working on the testing field to understand what's going on with the device, what's going on with the server side, how you interact with each other. And so just based on this, I created test cases. I create the rules for working on those test cases. Right?
Are there any tools available for testing Android stuff?
If we are talking about automatic testing tool,
Yeah,
I don't think so. Yeah, pretty much it's manual for us. Because people are working on, focus more on the development side. On the testing side, I think it's like you guys, many testers after you work a few years, and probably you're developing your own automatic tools for testing cases. So I think it's like I cannot tell because I don't have too much knowledge on this. I believe there will be people who are working on those automatic testing systems.
What is the duration of the program?
What?
What is the duration of the program?
You said duration is how much time to develop an application?
No, for this program.
Oh, for the course you're talking about, right? Probably Paul can tell how long it will take to finish one course. For example, iPhone.
Just give me a second. Actually, we have different courses. We can give you a list, okay? Just give me a second. I just find out.
Okay, your question.
If you want to sell application through Apple Store,
Yeah.
it's necessary to be Apple certified programmer. And do you need to test the software by a certified tester by Apple?
No.
No.
You don't need to be certified. You just need to join as a member.
Just a membership.
Yeah, the membership system.
Because
You pay $100.
certification is very expensive.
You don't need to be certified. You pay $100, you're in.
Yeah.
Then, but when you release your piece of software to their App Store, you can release directly to the App Store. There are multiple stages. You release to them, they need to check.
Yeah.
They have the system to scan it. They have to scan if you're violating anything. For example, wireless line application, right? Or your application is trying to check the users to type in the password and then you save it to your system. So such kind of things, they will check some functions and to ensure your application is healthy. They have some procedures, but you don't need to be certified. No,
Who decide the price?
you.
Okay.
There's one developer, they release one very simple iPhone application. That what the application does, click the button, show a picture. They sold it, they specified, I think it's close to $1,000. They release it, I forgot how they trigger this cell.
No,
It's, there's more than
how
100.
hard to pass this testing?
No, what's that?
What's the reason to refuse you? how hard to pass this test and Apple testing process?
Or to pass the Apple's testing? I can't tell. I think they have their own rules and procedures. They have their software to scan your code to find out if you're violating anything.
Okay. So how long does it take to go through the evaluation or verification stage to be published?
I think can be just 1 or 2 days, I believe. Can be a few hours if they're working on it. They're pretty quick. If you release it, when they check it, they scan it, no problem. You just make it available to the App Store. Then people can purchase it.
Any other questions?
Yeah. What database is used by Android operating system?
Android? Android is the database is because it's a small devices, right? So there's what is that?
SQLite.
Right.
Yes, yeah.
SQLite, yeah.
And Xcode is the same database, SQLite, right?
Yeah. So because that one is so portable, right? It's a file-based system. You don't need to have the server. So this is good for small devices. So you have the library you can pop into it, the SQLite.
Okay, any other questions? So small device application development is a very hot topic. Okay, so there are 2 different main streams. So here from the lecture, we'll get a more clear picture. If some people you're interested, take a course here. Then here we have a course list. Okay, for each direction, for iPhone and Android, there are a couple of courses. Depends what you want to go. Okay, so you can look at I will give you a list. Then you check, and then if you're interested, take a course, so we can talk individually. So any other questions? No more questions? Okay. Next conversation is about SaaS. Okay, SaaS data analysis. The speaker from work for government as a senior SaaS data analysis. So if you want to stay for next